guys, a very warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today we are doing an easy, awesome snack recipe for you guys. That's going to be feta spinach crackers. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. First, some rice cake. Second, I have feta cheese. Third, I have baby leaves and lime. Have is salt and last oregano. In a plate, first we're going to add 2 rice crackers. To that we're going to add some baby spinach. To that we're going to add 1 tablespoon of feta. Optional, you can also add a slice of avocado to the same. Now add some salt to the same and a bit of lime juice, and lastly drizzle some oregano. Our feta spinach crackers are ready. They are truly awesome, damn yummy and highly nutritious. The main benefit of these are they are extremely low in fats. At the same time, it provides you healthy nutrients with regards to protein and carbohydrate. So it's a perfect meal because it's loaded with nutrients like vitamin C, B and K. Thank you so much for watching my video. Request you to please subscribe to the channel. Share it with as many friends and people as possible so that they know more about us. Thank you and lots of love.